Alright, sorry about the interruptions. So, we have oranges, creams, whites, navy blue, a few different types of blue actually, greens, more blues and blacks and greens and creams, brown. So this is our first fairy. Again, I'm not sure how she'll turn out since it's a 30 by 40 and it's a full-bodied character, and that also isn't very close up. It also is a human face, which already turned out a little iffy on a lot of paintings. So it just depends on how much detail you want in the painting, I'm guessing. So if you look at, you know, the face, if the Z is supposed to be the nose, or if the nose isn't going to show up at all, I'm guessing the D's are the eyes, the P's are the lips, so the P's around the eyes and in the hair, so that's supposed to be like skin color difference, I'm guessing. I mean, it's a clear canvas to work on, but I'm not sure how well that's going to turn out in, you know, this size canvas. So we got her. And then another one. So all four of these I think are pretty similar, just different colors, I think. Stepping on dog food almost feels like stepping on Legos. Alright. Oh boy. So I think that one is even less likely to actually show up. So you got pinks, light blue, white, some purples and reds. They're nice and sticky. Like, I don't think anything's wrong with these other than the size of the canvas and the image put on it. And the letters look fine, the glue feels fine, it's just, I don't think they should print a full human body on a 30 by 40 canvas. So this one has 23 colors. I didn't say what the last one had. The last one also had 23 colors. Again, just not sure how they're gonna look, being that they're that size. Okay. Oh boy. I feel like they're getting worse and worse for the ability to possibly be anything. I mean, they have nice colors. Like I said, nothing is wrong with this other than the fact of that being the image on this size canvas, in my opinion. Like, the colors all look nice so far. The pictures are not bad pictures. The glue on this is nice. The cover sheet doesn't stick to it too bad. It's just too small. This one, at least, really isn't kind of trying to have a face with the way she's looking, but it's, you're not going to notice the little point for the nose or anything, and if you do, it's just going to be way too big. So I'd say if you wanted these images, make sure you got them in a bigger size canvas. At the same time, if this company has other paintings, go ahead and get them if they're a decent size, because it looks like their drill area and everything is pretty decent. So another 23 colors, and again, the drill area looks completely fine. It's just this picture really should be on a bigger canvas. By the way, I am going to be interrupted at some point, so this video might be abruptly ended. Alright, last one of the 4 set. Oh dear. And by the way, they all had just had a plain boat with nothing. So, you got blues, browns, more blues, and more blues. A little bit of cream, little, that's a brown still. And there's some white in here. But, yeah. This would be a pretty image in a large size, but she's like, what instrument is she playing? Trumpet? I don't know. I don't know what instrument that's supposed to be. I mean, it could be like a flute or something, but it looks like she's playing it straight down, not sideways, so I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. Alright. Again, we have 23 colors. And so that's the 4 set. So on to our 5th painting. Oh, we both have this one. It's kind of my foliage set, but with bettas. And again, I don't know how well the bettas are actually going to show up as bettas in this size painting. Or beta, however you say it. But it is a really pretty image, and I think even if these kind of just look more like these flower petals or something, don't show quite right, this face will still make it worthwhile. But it would be really pretty in a large size where these have all the details in their fin too, but that would be pretty large. So plain nothing. You got blues and pinks and browns. A little bit of orange. I like this picture so far. Again, like I said, you gotta go into it aware of how much detail might actually show up in it. So don't go into this picture expecting all these bettas to show up. But if you go into it not necessarily expecting that you'll get your bettas out of it, that face with like kind of blue flowers around it, really pretty. So we have 20 colors. Look at the little blue eyes. Sorry about the bird. Alright, we're on to the 6th one. So this one, I'm going to say right now, I think is out of stock. I think she bought the last one, unless they restocked it. And this actually looks like it might turn out okay. She was afraid that the face wouldn't show up on this one, but it looks like it might be okay. We'll get a closer look. Again, it does still matter how much detail you want in it. She's not as picky as I am when it comes to details, so. Greens, orange, pink, brown, yellows, grays. This is more pink. There's some greens. So that's your color palette for that one. Alright, we have 22 colors. Kinda looks like it has drill circles, but they're not actually drill circles. It's just how the shape is on some colors. So. Oh, this is a wolf. So for the longest time, the only thing she bought was wolves. I can't find the opening, sorry. I'm sure everybody's had trouble with a bag at some point. Interesting. Does have little bags with this one. So yellow, blue, some red, orange, pink, kind of gray. Alrighty, so we got 26 colors. Again, looks like a clear drill field. Look at those yellow eyes. Not a bad image. This is colorful. Ah, so she must have got both of us this because she told me she bought me this. So we got blue, orange, green, pinks, reds. So with this one, I know there's a painter that actually does images kind of like this. And he does them with like a multiple media. So they have paints, oils, markers, and stuff like that. I don't remember the exact medias he uses, but they look interesting because they have multiple medias on them. So they stack differently. I don't know if this is one of his works or just kind of inspired by it, but he does have a lot of photos. I will put his name on the video. So this may be a copy of his work. That being said, any of the animals like this might be. I know my Beware Pits, They'll Steal Your Heart one, and I've seen like an alligator and everything else in this style. So we have 35 colors. Ooh, that's nice. So we got, I don't like the 7s. Those look very hard to read, but the P's are easy enough to read that I don't think it's going to be an issue. But the 7s do look blurry. So, look at the pretty eyes. Cute cat. Oh, it doesn't want to cooperate. Alright, so this will be the last one I'll open, I think. Oh, that's a cute Halloween scene. So, blues, browns, reds, yellow, orange. So, if anybody knows if this is from anything, let me know. Kind of looks like it should be like a cartoon character or something. So we have 20 colors. Look at that little chubby bat. I don't know how well the spider web will show up, but There's this little character and the pumpkins and a little happy ghost peeking out there and just a tiny one's head there. So that's a cute image. So we had her, the cat, the wolf, the girl, the fox, and the 4 fairies. Wait, is that one a fairy? The other ones are, so. Those are the ones that I'll open for now, and then I have another 10 to open later. Like I said, I have to leave, so at least I got these ones done.